Now's the moment of truth. Let me unwrap and see if our project came out as expected. Now let's put on the wheel and see how that looks. Today I'm tackling a different mod on the Suzuki. It's something cosmetic, nothing hectic. The brake calipers are standard, they're not painted. So today I'm going to add some color to them. Hopefully they'll look nice. First off, I need to remove the wheels, and I'm not going to show you that because you guys know how to remove wheels. And I'll put a time lapse on that, then get straight to cleaning and then painting. Now I have the caliper exposed. I have my drill with the wire brush. I'm going to clean it up a bit before I start the paint. So let me do that now, and hopefully it comes out nice and clean. Okay, now this looks better, much better. Then I'm gonna start with masking all the areas that I don't want paint on, and then start the painting process. Let me do the masking now. We are done with masking, then we can start with paint. And I've decided to go with this brand. I know it says engine enamel, so my take is that it's strong enough to withstand the heat that the brake calipers actually produce, or the wheels in general. So I'm gonna hit it with this nice red paint, and hopefully it comes out nice as I expect. So yeah, I got this from my local Midas, and yeah, hopefully it does a good job. Let's paint. I'm gonna start with a very light mist. That's the first coat. Then I'm gonna let it dry and then come back and do the second coat. It's looking nice. We are getting there slowly but surely. Okay, putting in the last coat. Hopefully this will then get me the color that I'm looking for. So let's do that. I think I've got it. I think this is it. So let me let everything else dry, and then I'll put the wheels back on and then see how it looks. I think it's gonna look nice. Hopefully something different, something unique. Now's the moment of truth. Let me unwrap and see if our project came out as expected. Okay, unwrapping. Okay, unwrapping. Okay, not bad. Okay, now I'm happy with how it came out. So now time to remove all the tape so that we can reinstall our wheels. Remove all that tape here. Okay, not bad. I think this is it. It's dry, it's red, shiny, smooth. Now I need to put on the wheel and see how that looks now with the wheel on. Now it looks nice. Gives the car that new look, different look. Love it. Okay, that's a different look. Yeah, now it's a different look. It's nice. Love it. I'm happy with the results. Now it looks nice. So now I just need to do that all over again across all four corners, and then put it on the ground and then see how it looks. Take it for a drive and take a few photos. But I think as it stands, I can almost tell that it's going to look awesome. So I love the transformation. So let's continue, do the rest of the wheels, and then see what the finished product looks like. Rear caliper also done, complete now, ready and dry. I need to just remove the tape, remove the plastic cover, then put on the wheels, and then see how this car looks actually after all the work that I've done painting these calipers. So let's do that now. Right. Okay, let's get this car on the ground. Yeah, no, love that.
You know who made it.
And there you have it. The calipers have been painted red on the Grand Vitara, and I really love how they pop through that black. I mean, looking at this red popping through here and the black wheels, it really comes alive. It brings this car alive. I mean, the front and the back alike, they really work. They really bring this car alive. It was a long day. Finally, we are done, and I'm happy that the car has a new look now, and I really love it. I love these calipers. They're actually quite nice. I like the red color. It pops through everything here, which is really awesome. It really brings this car alive. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, because there's some exciting content coming soon. You don't want to miss out. And click on that bell to be notified as soon as I post a new video. I really love these calipers, and I'll catch you next time.